You will not buy potato chips again after watching this video. You can always make your potato chips at home when you follow this process. Hello sweet team, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. I will be needing potato on this recipe. First step, I will use my scraper to scrape out the skin of the potato. Second step is to use my knife to slice the potato in a beautiful shape. For example, KFC shape potato. Just wash my hand and see how I achieve this beautiful shape. Ever since I started making potato chips like this, everyone in my home enjoy and eat potato almost every time. After making this potato, guys, the outcome will be so amazing. It will look as if you go to KFC to chop potato chips. After slicing all of them, this is what I have. I just like the shape of this potato. It just looks so amazing. So now I will take in my bowl and transfer all of it inside the bowl. Next step, in this cooking pot I have hot water. So now the water has turned to boil. I will add in 1 teaspoon of salt, then transfer the potato inside the cooking pot. After adding the potato, then I will just be stirring the potato. So I will just stir and make sure that the hot water touch all over the body of the potato. One part will not get cooked and the other will not get cooked. I have to make sure that all the body of the potato gets cooked and the hot water touch all over the body of the potato. I will just do this for 3 minutes before I will take it out. Over here I have a cooking tray. I will cover the tray with a service paper. Next I will spread all the potato on top of the service paper. This will help to get rid of any excess water inside the potato. So after doing that, I will use 1 or 2 service paper to cover the potato for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, this is how it look. At this point, the potato has dried and is ready for me to fry. Before now, I have oil on the fire. The oil has hot. Now I will transfer the potato inside the oil. Just see how I'm dropping it one after the other. I did not just pour everything at once. I just add it one after the other. So now I will use my spoon to be stirring. This is 1 minute later. I still have to stir. I did not go far. I have to stir all the way so that the both part of the potato will get dry. So now that the potato is ready, you can see all the potato is settling on top of the oil, meaning that the potato is ready. So now I will take it out from the oil. Just take a good look at that. You don't need to go KFC anymore if you want to eat potato cheese. You can just do this at home and serve your kids. It's just so amazing. Ever since I tried this process of frying potato, I'm frying potato for my kids and we all love it because my potato does not come out like this before. If I fry potato, it will get dark color, and ever since I started this process, is so amazing. See you in my next one. Don't forget to share. Bye.